Hello everyone, this video is to show you how to do the online oral presentations. So if you go to our content page, it looks like this. If we go to Module 2, we have here all the instructions for the oral presentations. Okay, we're going to be doing 2 throughout the semester. Each presentation must be in Spanish. You should have 5 PowerPoint slides at least. And you should record your presentation using VoiceThread. Your presentation will be graded on pronunciation, grammar, fluency, content, and quality. Your slides should contain images related to your presentation and no more than 2 sentences. 50% will automatically be taken off of the grade if you read or sound like you are reading, just like in the partner dialogues. So here's our topic. Identify a problem with university education at your university or across the United States. Discuss the problem and use the present subjunctive to give suggestions, recommendations, and advice on how to improve the situation. It should be at least 5 minutes long, and you need to make sure that all your VoiceThread files are shared with your class. Failing to do this may prevent your instructor or classmates from seeing your work. Okay. So here's the instructions. This should already be visible to you on D2L. So what we'll do is we'll go down here to VoiceThread. Okay, and it's going to take you to our class. And this is where you'll be able to add your own VoiceThread. What I like to do beforehand is create the PowerPoint, put all my information in it, all the slides, and then I record using Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. So let's see if we can look for it here in our Google search. Screencast-O-Matic. So you guys can see how it's spelled. Screencast-O-Matic. I'm using it right now to record this. You'll do launch free recorder, then you can pull up the PowerPoint so you guys will be able to record the PowerPoint as you go. And then once you're finished, it'll give you several options. One option will be to create it as a YouTube file, and that way you can add your own media as a URL. You can just put the link in there so that we can see it. Okay. You can also record it directly in VoiceThread. But what I don't want you guys to do is to create one slide and then record there, then create another slide and record on a second slide, because then I have to keep flipping through it and it makes me have to do a little bit of extra math. So I'd rather you guys record it continuously instead of on each different slide. So try to do it that way first. If you have problems, let me know. So if we go back here to content, it also tells us what the rubric is for the presentation, oral presentation. Here's the rubric that I'll be using. You guys can check that out to see what I'll be looking for. And we will go ahead and look at the due date for this. So it will be due Sunday, September 16th by 11:59 p.m. And then you'll have to do the peer feedback the following week, the 23rd. Okay, so start working on that. If you guys do have any questions or want to run anything by me, let me know.